Some old decrepit stairs, not risking going up there, or even a softener. It's a mini car washer, that one is, but it does look like a shoe one.
It's like a retro machine.
It's one of the retro ones, isn't it? It looks like the American style.
Yeah, machines that got the little decks in.
Yeah,
it's like music.
The jukebox like.
Yeah.
Weighing machine.
Mad.
Look at that. I know that she is. This big bad boy here.
It's fair for them. Drill pieces.
So literally guys, we just had to be quiet because we heard voices. What was that?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit scared.
What's good guys, new one tonight. I'm with Panda. Guys, we're at G Yorke and Sons today. This is in our hometown, Stoke-on-Trent. We're going to walk around now, so let's go have a look. So as we carry on now guys, as we start should I say. Some old decrepit stairs, not risking going up there. Guys, this place was known for a person who used to, like a company used to make brushes, like 4 different types of brushes. This is just like here, little hand out brushes and stuff, for shoes, or even a softener. It's a mini car washer, that one is, but it does look like a shoe one.
Like wallpaper brushes as well.
Yeah, wallpaper brushes, everything. Obviously road sweeping.
Even a bog brush if you need it scrubbing.
Look at the ends here guys, this is what we use for the brush. The bristles on it. There's loads of them. So we're going to keep walking now guys. Look inside the lockers. I'm going to check the toilets quickly. The ladies. Oh, there's actually a toilet that's not broken. Usually toilets are smashed up. We'll go in Andy's toilet just here. Yeah, again. Just 2 toilets.
I don't know if I'm just putting trailer and human shit or what.
That's an old fridge. Oh, it's a freezer, sorry. Well, okay, it's an old freezer.
It's like a retro machine.
It's one of the retro ones, isn't it? It looks like the American style.
Yeah, machines that got the little decks in.
Yeah,
it's like music.
The jukebox like.
Yeah.
So guys, we're going to keep going now. Keep the lights down just because we're outside guys, as you can see. Quick look through here. Old machine again. Just there. Oh, it's just a little room. It's like a storage room. See, there's like the brush ends there, guys. Don't know why they're up there, but that's what it looked like. It's like they put the bristles in it. I'm stuck. Something sticky to me. Weighing machine.
mad.
It's like how you check obviously the weight of stuff, isn't it? Because they can put a weight on the end here. Mad little place. I literally just found this online, guys. Ooh. Careful there. These here, wheels. Another one just here. Oh yeah, that's like the modern style ones, isn't it? Well, you put weights on the end. Look at that. I know that she is. So we're going to carry on now, guys. These are the brushes. You see? Obviously the handles. Luckily the roof isn't that bad. That's a bit spongy though. Yeah. Just be careful there. Oh, what's up here? There's nothing up here, but it's like a little greenhouse. Nothing in there. Let's see what's in that walking. We'll get out of here. Now, let's go back. So yeah guys, literally just started off through this place. Like I say, it is a place that's supposed to be where they used to make brushes. So yeah guys, we'll catch you in a sec. What's going on, Panda?
I've just did.
Scared?
I just did cackle like a witch is laughing.
So literally online guys, it does say that this place is meant to be haunted. Don't know how true that is, but there is paranormal people that come in here. So we'll see. So we give that countdown guys. We just come through this bit guys. Bit that we showed before we went upstairs. An old fashioned door here. The way the weight's here to hold it open. See up to there. Obviously comes across to the door. Same deal side guys. That's what it's out of there. Yeah. Big machine just here. Like a big tombole machine. Yeah. Anything like big tombole things. Don't know what's going on with my blur today guys. Can't seem to do there. Careful when walking, as long as you've got glass and stuff. Like I say guys, double door this is, the weight. I don't know a lot about this place guys, because I've literally just found it, about 2 hours ago. So, but there will be some history in the description guys, as always. But now, just enjoy the explore. Obviously walking around, seeing different things. This big bad boy here. And look at these guys, big machines. Let's get this turned up for you. More scales just here. Mad machines these are. I had the old bench, so I used to use one of these all the time when I was at project management. Always used them. Yeah.
small.
Look at these machines, guys. Bench drill and everything. All rusty now. The old on and off switches. That's mad. For the heater. That's like the warning, isn't it?
It's like a drill piece,
There's a what there?
like a drill. Like it push forward or something.
Yeah guys, we're going to carry on now. We're still in this room with the machines. Big ass brush here. Gotta be careful here because a lads might get seen.
Marble witch running around. The marble witch running around.
Could be a witch. What's this, guys? What's this place, should I say? It's like a jail cell. A wooden jail cell. It's like some storage for some booty. New heads. New brush heads. It's obviously quite damaged now. Rain and everything. Look at that, there's our briefcase. Show all the documents and stuff in there.
No way, it's not fresh writing and everything.
Mad little storage area. This big briefcase. It's like a tin into storage tin. Is that like a diary? That's crazy.
Do you reckon they all like orders? 1953.
Because that's old.
Crazy that. Looks fresh inside, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. We're literally just in the cellar bit here, guys. So literally coming out, guys. You see this here? It's like a clocking on machine. Obviously the cards will be here at the side. You put them in and clock in. That's mad. So yeah, guys, literally coming into this place now. The things that they broke the door. Looks like we stored stuff in here, don't we? Or did. Nothing much just here, guys. I apologise if the blur isn't the best, guys. For some reason it keeps going all out of blur. I have to keep putting it back in. Oh yeah. There's nothing just here, guys, apart from this. There's some stairs, so I'm going to take my time going up. Loads of pigeon poo here. Oh, workshop. Just here. I don't know what this is. It's like a little diary here, guys. Let's get this right. So as you see, once the blur sorts itself out, it's got the names and stuff in. Fart's flickering. Loads of names and stuff. Mad. To the side of us, guys, another door. just here. So obviously you've got pigeon nesting and loads of stuff.
That's some old school cracks up.
Is this where the windows broke? No. There's one room where the window broke. Oh, what's that? So what is that? It's like, just like a printer, isn't it? I'll show you see this guys. An old printer. It says on the Romeo 750 or 150, 450. I can't really see from where I'm standing. The old kettle.
Toasting machine,
Well, I'm not going to walk down there, guys. Look at that. Definitely not walking down there. Too dangerous. Yeah, that's what's down there, guys. Is there a date on this? There's no date on it. Oh yeah, you smash it and then you press the button inside. Or is that an Allen key inside? It used to be buttons.
like an Allen key or something.
Mad. I remember used to having them little things there that were loud. So yeah guys, we're going to head back out now. So yeah guys, back in out the start. I think that might be it. Unless we just go the other way. See if there's anything around here. I think you looked round here, didn't you? Yeah. I didn't have a look. Oh yeah, you can get through. Oh yeah guys, look at this here. Filing cabinets and stuff. There's some more this way. Some stairs here guys. It's upstairs. I'm going to look around the bottom first though. It's like a little model plane. Little model plane here. Obviously it's like man-made, like made by like me or you. It's one I haven't got a clue what to do.
Yeah, definitely made by me. Yeah.
Nice little fireplace.
Clocking in spin sheets.
So they are.
Yeah.
I just found some clocking sheets guys. Yeah, they are. J.E. Walters. So I say E. Bibby and F. Lease.
Broom and brush manufacturers.
So literally guys, we just had to be quiet because weird voices and we're hearing like little squeals and stuff. There's literally through that window. So we're going to have a look because we've got to go that way anyway. So we'll see. Let's go check. I can't go through there anyway. But we can go upstairs. There's a bed here. Ah, just there, Zach, yeah. Bro, you can fuck off. There's a little squealing going on, guys. Brush heads again. Bristles. Oh was that?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit scared.
Don't be scared, bro. They can't harm you.
How do you know?
It's a something haunted though. According to some people who are paranormal investigators, they reckon it's haunted.
I know what I've heard, I've definitely heard something.
It's something, I think it's something as well. I've heard squealing. Our little brushes here. They're like them things that, what they call it, like wire brushes.
Scourer.
Like a scourer, yeah. That's the word I was looking for. You know me guys always get mixed up on the words. Like it's pottery factory when Falcon Pottery when I was cement instead of cutting. Unbelievable. Some brush ends here. Don't know. I was interested now. It's a shame it's not a rocking chair, because if it was, and it started rocking, what would you do?
I'm sorry, bro. I'm going, mate. I'm straight out that door.
Don't be scared.
Nah.
Yeah, guys, this is what I have to put up with when we come to places and it could be haunted. My team's going to run away.
We're mates and all that, mate, but there's a limit.
There's a limit to go
Around them.
So that's what we're open for.
Yeah.
That's old school packing, now that is. Very old school packing. You see there, guys, literally just rope around it. It's just like paper, just holding the brush. Literally just this way now. That's it. There is a window there I noticed. I think it's in here. It's broken. Yeah. Yeah, the roof doesn't look that good in here. Just take the time, bro. Yeah, what's down there? It's mad. Well, there's a big hole in the roof here. Be careful, bro. There's a big hole, guys. Floppy disks. Old computer. Yeah, there's loads of floppy disks. Guys, I don't know what is happening on my word tonight. Something paranormal, maybe.
Definitely.
You know me guys, I always laugh. Because I don't really think about paranormal that much. We're not going to go through there in a sec. So yeah guys, we're going to head down this way. Literally just be looking in here. Oh yeah, there's like little storage areas. Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
Stairs go dodgy down here at the bottom.
Dangerous stairs. I better not step on them. That's weird. So we're going back, guys. So yeah guys, that is literally it for tonight. So yeah, the history will be in the description. Anyway guys, it's going to be safe for me.
Safe, man.
And we'll definitely see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to hit up all the social medias. Don't forget to like, comment, share and everything. And subscribe. Peace.